division of our retina. Our retina is divided into two distinct parts. One is posterior pole and other is peripheral retina. So this portion is posterior pole of the retina and the area behind it is peripheral retina, and the line that divides these two division is called equator of the retina. So this portion is posterior pole and this portion is peripheral retina. In the posterior pole we have two important structures, that is optic disc and macula, and in the peripheral area we have Ora Serrata anteriorly and equator posteriorly. Now in the coming slide we will know details about equator, Ora Serrata, posterior pole and the peripheral retina.
Preparing for optometry government exam? Enroll our course, Gov Job Preparation, to get access to notes, mock tests, MCQs, previous year MCQs, videos and more.
Now let's know about the retinal equator. Retinal equator is an imaginary line aligning with the exit of the vortex veins. Here in this figure, these are the vortex vein emerging from the back of the eye, and if we connect those vein with a imaginary line, then it will create a circle like this, which is called retinal equator. This is the posterior view. Means we are seeing the eyes from the back, and this is the lateral view. Here it will be the equator. So the structures behind the equators, this area is the posterior pole, here this area is the posterior pole, and the structures or the part of the retina anterior to the equator is peripheral retina. From equator to Ora Serrata, this is Ora Serrata. So this is the peripheral retina. Now we will know details about this posterior pole separately and this peripheral retina separately in the coming slides.
Please like the video and subscribe for more optometry tutorials. Don't forget to check out our full courses on the app. See you in the next video.